This dynamic programming question has appeared at every single top tech company. So given an array of integers where each element represents the stock price for each of the days, return the maximum profit that you can get. Now in order to generate a profit, we need to buy and sell a stock. So let's say we buy at 1 and sell at 3 to generate a profit of 2. Now we are allowed to perform as many transactions as possible, but we can only hold one share of stock at a time. After we buy and sell a stock, there's a cooldown period of 1 day. On this day, we cannot buy a stock. Let's say we're given this example, we can buy at 1 and sell at 2 and buy at 0 and sell at 3 to generate a maximum profit of 4. Let's go over the dollar process. At each of the index, we have 2 possible states. We can either buy or sell. Now, if our current state is buy, we have 2 possible choices. We can either buy the stock or skip the stock. We will pick the choice that will give us the higher profit. Now, if our current state is sell, we have 2 possible choices. We can either sell the stock and jump to the next stock or skip the stock. We will pick the choice that will give us the higher profit. Let's go over the code, create 2 variables to indicate buy and sell, implement the function max profit taking the input prices, return the result of the helper method. Now let's implement the helper method taking the current index, the state, and the prices. If our index is out of bound, return 0. If our state is buy, return the larger profit between buying and skipping the stock, else return the larger profit between selling and skipping the stock.